Bats are the second largest order of mammal, with 1,400 species worldwide. Bats are noxious because they carry bacteria and viruses along with them, which are harmful to humans. According to research, the fundamental truth about bats is that temperature is very important for them, as they look like a warm roost in the summer and a cold roost in the winter. They are harmful not only to humans, but to their business units as well. They may affect their manufacturing units, refineries, industries, food industries, hotels, restaurants, warehouses, etc. They can produce sounds ranging from 10 kHz to 200 kHz. Conceptmart OPM Enterprises provide solutions to your problems that will help you get rid of bats. Bat repellent produces ultrasonic sound waves that threaten the bats and keep them away. Bat repellent is eco-friendly and harmless to humans and birds. This product is a fully automatic device with different selection modes. It covers an area of around 2,000 to 5,000 square feet. For more information, visit www.conceptmart.com.